Do you ever feel bloated, tired, or unusually low on energy after eating? It may seem like just a small inconvenience, but these signs can actually be your body's way of warning you about something much bigger: your gut health. Your gut controls far more than just digestion. It influences your energy, mood, skin, and even your immune system. So, if you've been feeling off lately and can't quite figure out why, your gut might be the missing piece of the puzzle. In this video, I'll show you how to recognize the warning signs of an unhealthy gut, and more importantly, what you can do to fix it naturally. Hey there, and welcome back to GutWise. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. This channel is all about making gut health simple, natural, and beginner-friendly. In today's video, we'll be breaking down 5 clear signs your gut may be unhealthy, from bloating and digestive issues to mood swings and skin problems. But don't worry, I won't just tell you the problems. I'll also walk you through practical, natural solutions that you can start using right away to bring your gut back into balance. So, if you're ready to feel better and take charge of your health, make sure to hit subscribe, and let's jump right in. Before we dive into the signs that your gut might be out of balance, let's quickly chat about what gut health really means. Your gut, also known as your digestive system, is not just there to help you digest food. It's home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that work together to support your body's health in several ways. Your gut bacteria influence your digestion, your immune system, your skin, and even your mood. In fact, about 70% of your immune system is housed in your gut, and it helps regulate everything from nutrient absorption to the elimination of waste. It's also where most of your serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is made, which means your gut health can actually affect your mood, anxiety levels, and stress response. If your gut is out of balance, it can lead to a whole host of problems, from digestive issues to mood swings. The good news: when you take care of your gut, you take care of your whole body. So, let's explore some of the key signs that your gut might need some extra love. Signs your gut is unhealthy. 1. Bloating and gas. We've all been there. You eat, and suddenly, your stomach feels puffed up, uncomfortable, and sometimes even painful. This feeling of fullness or tightness in your stomach, often accompanied by excessive gas, is a classic sign of digestive distress. Bloating and gas usually happen when your gut bacteria are struggling to properly break down food. This can be caused by food sensitivities, an imbalance in gut bacteria, or even slow digestion. In the long term, constant bloating can lead to other issues like acid reflux, discomfort, and poor nutrient absorption. Start by drinking more water throughout the day. Hydration is key for digestion. Incorporate ginger tea, which helps soothe your stomach and support digestion. Also, pay attention to foods that may be causing bloating, like beans, dairy, or gluten, and try eliminating them for a while to see if your symptoms improve. Have you ever felt bloated after a meal? Drop a comment below and let me know what foods you find trigger this. 2. Digestive problems, constipation, or diarrhea. If your digestive system isn't functioning properly, it can lead to constipation, difficulty passing stools, or diarrhea. Frequent loose stools. Both can cause discomfort and are often a sign that your gut health is out of balance. Constipation and diarrhea are 2 of the most common signs of gut dysbiosis, an imbalance in the gut bacteria. This can also be a sign of inflammation in the digestive system, poor gut motility, or a lack of beneficial bacteria to aid digestion. Start adding more fiber to your diet. Fiber helps to regulate digestion and prevent both constipation and diarrhea. Foods like oats, leafy greens, apples, and beans are great sources of fiber. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut can help rebalance your gut bacteria. Additionally, make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day, as water helps keep everything moving smoothly. Do you struggle with irregular bowel movements? Share your experience with us in the comments. 3. Fatigue and low energy. If you constantly feel tired, sluggish, or low on energy, even after a good night's sleep, it could be more than just a busy schedule. Gut health plays a huge role in energy levels. Poor digestion can lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially if your gut isn't properly absorbing vitamins and minerals from the food you eat. A lack of nutrients means less energy for your body to function well. Additionally, an imbalance in gut bacteria can cause inflammation, which drains your energy. To boost energy levels, focus on nutrient-dense foods. Include plenty of leafy greens, whole grains, and healthy fats in your diet to ensure your body has the vitamins and minerals it needs. Also, consider taking probiotics to support gut health and digestion. Make sure you're also getting enough sleep, as your body needs rest to repair and restore itself. Do you often feel drained despite getting enough sleep? Try adding more fiber-rich foods to your diet and let me know how you feel. For skin issues, acne, eczema, or rosacea. If you're dealing with skin flare-ups like acne, eczema, or rosacea and can't figure out the cause, it may be a sign of poor gut health. Your gut and skin are connected through a process called the gut-skin axis. When your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, that inflammation can show up on your skin in the form of acne, eczema, rashes, or other skin issues. Start by eating more anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and fatty fish. Cut back on processed foods, sugar, and dairy, which can trigger inflammation. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha are also great for nourishing the gut and improving skin health. Consider adding a probiotic supplement to your routine, as it can help balance gut bacteria and reduce inflammation. Have you noticed skin changes when your gut feels off? Share your skin story with us. I'd love to hear how your gut health has affected your skin. 5. Mood swings, anxiety, or depression. Feeling anxious, irritable, or experiencing mood swings more than usual? These could be linked to an unhealthy gut. There is a strong connection between your gut and your brain. It's called the gut-brain axis. If your gut is out of balance, it can affect your mood and mental health because most of your serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced in your gut. Focus on eating foods that support brain health and gut health, like omega-3 rich foods, salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and leafy greens. Reducing stress is also key. Try practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. If you're looking for additional support, consider incorporating probiotics into your routine to help balance your gut bacteria and improve your mood. Do you feel your mood shifts when your gut isn't right? Let's chat about it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now that you know the signs of an unhealthy gut, let's talk about how to fix it. The good news is, there are simple natural steps you can take to restore balance and feel better. Without resorting to expensive supplements or complicated diets, start with diet changes. What you eat plays a huge role in the health of your gut. If you're constantly consuming processed foods, sugar, and artificial additives, your gut bacteria will struggle to thrive. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate plenty of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Foods high in prebiotics like garlic, onions, and asparagus help nourish the good bacteria in your gut. Limit your intake of processed foods, refined sugar, and excessive dairy, as these can contribute to inflammation and imbalance in your gut. Make small changes to your meals by swapping out processed snacks for fruits or nuts, and choosing whole grains like quinoa or brown rice instead of refined options. Hydration is key. Hydration is one of the most important things you can do for your gut. Water is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and the elimination of waste. If you're dehydrated, your digestive system can't work efficiently. Staying hydrated helps your body break down food more easily, and it keeps things moving through your intestines, preventing constipation. Drink water throughout the day, and start your mornings with a warm glass of lemon water. The lemon helps stimulate digestion and gets things moving in the right direction. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which are the good bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics can help restore the balance of gut bacteria, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. Add fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, or kefir to your diet. If you're new to them, start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. Stress reduction. Did you know that stress can directly impact your gut health? When you're stressed, your body produces hormones that can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and mood swings. Stress reduction techniques like yoga or deep breathing exercises can help calm the body's stress response and support healthy digestion. Incorporate mindfulness or relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Start with just 5 minutes of deep breathing, or try a short yoga session to help reduce stress. Get moving. Regular physical activity is another key factor in maintaining a healthy gut. Exercise helps stimulate digestion, promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria, and supports overall gut health. Movement increases gut motility, meaning food moves more efficiently through your digestive system. Plus, it reduces stress, which, as we mentioned earlier, is crucial for gut health. Start by incorporating more movement into your day. Take a walk after meals, stretch in the morning, or try a short workout. Find something that feels good to you. So, to recap the key signs of an unhealthy gut: bloating and gas, often caused by digestive issues or food intolerances. Digestive problems, constipation or diarrhea, may signal an imbalance in gut bacteria or slow digestion. Fatigue and low energy could mean poor nutrient absorption due to gut dysfunction. Skin issues, acne, eczema, or rosacea, a sign of inflammation or imbalance in the gut affecting the skin. Mood swings, anxiety or depression. Gut health plays a huge role in your mental health and emotional well-being. Now, you know what to look for, but how do we fix it naturally? Start by making simple, sustainable changes like improving your diet, staying hydrated, incorporating fermented foods, reducing stress, and getting regular movement into your routine. These small but impactful steps will help support your gut health, boost your energy, and improve your overall well-being. Here is a super easy habit to start today. Add a probiotic supplement to your daily routine. Probiotics help repopulate the beneficial bacteria in your gut, support digestion, and strengthen your immune system. Start slow with a lower dose, and build up as you feel comfortable. It's an easy way to give your gut that extra boost. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel more empowered to take care of your gut. Remember, a happy gut leads to a happy life, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with just 1 or 2 changes from today's video and see how your body responds. The key is consistency. Thank you so much for watching. I'm truly grateful that you were here with me on this journey to better gut health. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to GutWise for more simple, natural gut health tips. For even more gut health ideas, check out my next video, The Best Foods for a Healthy Gut. I'll link it right here so you can dive deeper into nourishing your body with gut-friendly foods. Take care of yourself and your gut, and I'll see you in the next video.